Hey guys, just covering the Starlink clamp mount. So this is it up here. So you can see it clamps around and the Starlink just goes into the top there. Again, your Starlink could be taken out if you just pulled it in it. So if that could be an option for someone taking it. I don't know if they do, but could be a problem. It's got just screws on the top here that screw down. Pretty straightforward, you can like tighten it up. And then it just clamps into here. You've got like a bigger size and it's like a smaller size clamp. There is some extra limitations in the extra length you can do, so just ask us how big a spot you're trying to probably do. But I think your maximum is probably going to be about 35 millimeters that you can actually clamp around. So just an option how you can put your Starlink onto like a pole or clamp it on something like that.